Here type as cup. Okay, we get a new sheet. Click on vertical plane, go for sketch, click on this profile, draw profile as shown in the diagram. And from this point to this, it is of 45 divided by 2, and this line is of 20 divided by 2. Now from this to this, it is of 12, and the entire length is of 45, 42, and this thickness is of 6. This point to this, from axis to the point is of 65 divided by 2. So this completes the cup. Escape, exit from the workbench and click on this vertical direction. So here you need a cutouts here. So click vertical plane and go for sketch again. Draw a circle on the origin in the sense a vertical direction origin, and then give a diameter to it of mentioned as 5, then diameter becomes 10. So from this point to this, it is of, we make it as coincide. Exit from the workbench. Here select pocket in this direction. Now we do here so we are doing a circular pattern. It is asking for instance parameter. In this parameter, select completron, and instance is 3, and select this reference direction as in this direction, and this object to pattern is this cutout. Here mention instance as 4. Okay, so we'll get this. So that's it. This ends the cup, and now we go for another part. It is screw. Here this is P part. Enter as screw. Now select the same plane, vertical plane, draw profile, then start giving constraint. It is 12, that means 6, and entire height of this screw is of 27, and we'll drag it this for below and give height of 6 mentioned here. Then the entire this diameter is 24, radius becomes 12. Exit from the sketch, go for shaft, select this vertical direction. Okay, so here we have some V bottom. Again we go for edit. Here we do some edit. So from this point, so it is okay, from this point to this, and the distance from this to this, we make it as 3 mm, and we extend from this line to this, and I will trim this, delete this line. Now exit from the sketch, we'll get a V bottom. Now we have a slot here. Draw a rectangle. So using a centered rectangle, give distance from this to this is of some 2 mm, and again and click these two lines, make it as thickness not mentioned here. Okay, it is 2.7, 2.4. Exit from the sketch, select this pocket, mirror extend both sides, so this becomes okay, this completes. Now we move for new one. Here we need to do screw, so we need to do threading. So select this thread. Here we need to select this is for hole, and this is for threading, and this is for tapping. So we are doing threading on external. So select limit face and lateral face. So this is our lateral face. Select this face, and limit face is of this. It should be flat actually, and we select this one. Okay, now height will be of increase it for some height by saying preview. Okay, enough. Click OK, and before that select here. We need to give some parameters still. Here metric thickness I'm selecting, and it is taken M12, and then depth is 25. Okay, this thread has been taken, and now we go for new. Here we have a Tommy bar. Go for P, click on this, enter Tommy bar, and then OK. Select vertical plane again, a draw profile as mentioned in the diagram. Start giving constraints. From this line to this we are mentioning a diameter. The diameter of this is 12. I am giving 6 of radius, and from this point to from this line to this it is of 20. Go for 10, and this angle is of 45. So click this line and this, make an angle. Click on this and make it as 45. Then what else? Entire length is of, so this length is of 62, and entire length of this Tommy bar is of 275. Okay, and then that's all. Exit from the sketch, and here go for shaft. Okay, select vertical plane, this axis. Okay, so you need to select this axis. You have a sketch, so I have selected the sketch. Okay, now this completes the Tommy bar. We have a fillet little bit here. It's okay, no problem. Go for next part. It is washer. P, select this part. Okay, enter as washer. Okay, and select the same vertical plane. Go for sketch. Here you need to draw this profile. Here draw the profile in this manner, and go for constraint. This side is of 5.5. It is mentioned here, and entire length is of 8 mm. Height, that means height. So this I should shift it up, and this is of 90 degree. I'll go for 90 degree, that becomes 45 on one direction. I'll make it as 45, and here from this point, from this line to this axis, it is inside hole. It is mentioned here is 12 diameter. Go for 6, and the height, so outer diameter is 35. Go for 35 divided by 2. 35 divided by 2, and what else remaining is, so this is 45. Let me drag it inside here like this, and I'll give angle 45. So this is given as 45 already. The height is of it is all constraint. Okay, exit from the workbench, go for shaft, select the direction. If not, click here, right click, select Z axis. Okay, so this will be your washer like this. Then it is done all. So we need to call for assembly. Here go for start. Before that you need to save all the parts. So save it is in screw jack assembly. Save. Okay, save this Tommy bar, and screw, and cup. All you need to save. I didn't save before. After completing, you need to save all this. Okay, save. Okay, done. That's it. I have saved this. So let us save again. Save as a body, and we go for assembly, mechanical design, assembly design. Here we should click on this existing component and click on this product. Here you should select okay, click on this assembly, open, select all up to here. This is an extra part. Open all the parts we have selected. So you will get all the parts here like this. Now you need to start assembling by selecting this. I'll show you the constraints. Here it is coincide constraint. Click on this, select this and this. Before that you should select these two nuts. Okay, now click on this, select this and this, Control U. Okay, now drag this above. So select a manipulation on the direction of Z. Select this, the Z direction. You can push up. Now coincide constraint. Click this face of top, body of top and bottom of this nut. Here again Control U for update. Again in the same way, select this face and the below face of this spindle. Again click on this update. Okay, then we need to attach let me push this above, and here